Do you remember the muscle cars of the late 60s and early 70s? Cars with big engines, aggressive styling, and outrageous performance? Well, one of the most legendary was the 1970 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. This thing was a monster. Under the hood was a 426 cubic inch HEMI V8, pumping out an incredible 425 horsepower. With a 4-speed manual transmission, this Cuda could do 0-60 mph in just 5.6 seconds and run the quarter mile in 13.7. Absolutely blistering performance for 1970, and the styling matched the performance. The Shaker Hood scoop, pronounced fender bulges, and aggressive grille and headlights gave the HEMI Cuda an intimidating stance. Available in eye-popping colors like limelight, tor red, and lemon twist. This was not a car for the meek. Only about 70 HEMI Cudas were produced in 1970, making them incredibly rare today. Finding one in good condition can fetch over $1 million at auction. The 1970 HEMI Cuda has cemented its place as one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever produced. Raw, uncompromising power and style. The HEMI Cuda was a beast in 1970 and still turns heads today as one of the ultimate muscle car legends.